Hello, kids! Today, we are going to learn about prepositions. Let's begin our lesson. Prepositions are connecting words which come before a noun or pronoun and connect it to the rest of the sentence. Prepositions are the words that tell us where something is or when something happened. There are three types of prepositions: preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of direction. Preposition of time describes the time. For example, he left the house over an hour ago. Preposition of place describes the position of a noun. For example, the helicopter moved above the house. Preposition of direction describes the movement and direction a person or thing moves towards. For example, their house is next to the museum. Let's solve. Identify the prepositions in the given sentences. The dog sat beside the cat. Beside. I went down the street. Down. The old man was sitting under the tree. Under. We wear cotton clothes in summers. In. My sister hides behind the curtain. Behind. Our school gets over at 4 p.m. At. My friends arrived on time. On. We were waiting to get into the roller coaster. Into. Now let's fill in the blanks using the correct prepositions. Last night I woke up at midnight. The cat ran after the mouse. My sister's doll is hidden under the mattress. I never met my brother in 2 months. You must finish your homework on time. My father told me to return before sunrise. My cousins knocked on the door. Let us talk about prepositions of time and direction in more detail. Prepositions of time. In is used to talk about time that is not specific and to indicate that someone or something is moving from one place to another. At is used to talk about an exact point of time. On is used to talk about a specific day, date, and hour. Prepositions of direction. Into is used to show movement towards inside of something. Through is used to show movement from one side of an enclosed space to the other. Across is used to talk about movement from one side to another to an open space. Toward to talk about the direction something or someone is moving in. To is used to indicate that there is movement from one place to another. Now, kids, let's fill in the blanks with correct prepositions. Mom said she would come back now at 8 p.m. I had to climb up the tree to help the stuck bird. I sit beside Himani in the class. Our principal parked his car inside the school. I met my sister in Mumbai. Now, let's use the given prepositions in sentences. On. The book is on the table. Above. The fan is above my head. At. We met at the bus stop. Beside. My best friend sits beside me. Let's read the sentences and write the type of preposition used in each sentence. We are on the way to your home. Preposition of direction. My cousin lives in Spain. Preposition of place. We saw a forest far below. Preposition of place. Charan and Rati were hiding inside the wardrobe. Preposition of place. I left my bag behind. Preposition of place. We finished our work before the deadline. Preposition of time. Now, let's fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. Peter has no interest in science. My brother is very good at video games. The old lady smiled at me. I will return to India next week. The teacher pointed to the board. Great job, kids! Now you know all about prepositions. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye!